Hi there. Let's walk through how you can select multiple hot lists simultaneously and send bulk emails to candidates from different hot lists. To begin, head to the Add Filters option. Once there, click on Search Hot List in the search bar. Select the hot list and make sure to choose the Contains at least one field type. Now that you've selected the appropriate field type, a search bar will appear. From here, you can choose multiple hot lists. For example, I've selected these 3 hot lists. After making your selection, click Apply. You'll then see all the candidates from the selected hot lists. Go ahead and bulk select the candidates, then click on the More option to compose your email. Here's a tip. You can customize your interface by moving the Compose Email option above the dashed line. Just click Save, and this option will conveniently appear at the top. I hope this makes your task easier.